Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Care credit card account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into Care credit card account, open up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in www.carecredit.com and press enter. You'll be able to reach to the official site of CareCredit. Mouse over to the login button at the top right hand corner and select one of the login types from the display. Click on either consumer login or provider login. Click on any one option, and on the next page, you'll need to type in your credentials to log in and get access to your account. Go ahead and type in your username if you have an existing account. If you want to pay as a guest, you can click on this first option that says pay as guest. Once you type in your username, make sure to enter your password correct. If you'd like the system to remember your username, click on remember username box at the bottom, but make sure to leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device. If you've forgotten your username or your password, click on I forgot my username or password link and follow the instructions in order to look for them. After typing in your credentials, click the login button and you'll be able to log into your Care credit card account. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.